Hey guys, Tim Moore from Furuno here with a first look at Furuno's newest high-power additions to our already stellar NXT solid-state Doppler radar lineup. Let me introduce you to the 100-watt DRS12A-NXT and the industry-leading powerhouse 200-watt DRS25A-NXT. There are many good reasons to choose the perfect radar for your vessel's electronic suite. Whether it's for safe navigation, to see and avoid bad weather, or even looking for birds at a distance to put you on the fish faster, Furuno has what you're looking for to meet all of your radar needs. So let's talk about some of the features of these new solid-state Doppler radars. First, we have the DRS12A-NXT that produces 100 watts of output power, while the DRS25A-NXT produces 200 watts of output power. They're both solid-state radars, and you know what that means. No waiting for warm-up time. You have immediate access to your radar targets. Furuno's Target Analyzer also allows you to quickly see and identify targets that are a potential danger to your current course. Automatic and fast target tracking by Doppler of up to 100 targets. That's a pretty amazing amount of targets you're tracking. We also offer unparalleled target performance, giving you the best of both worlds. All of Furuno's NXT radars offer superior close-in target performance that removes the stress of navigating in a tight or busy channel, while also offering impressive long-range detection of targets out to 96 nautical miles. Rain mode that allows you to see not only the rain itself, but also into the rain, making navigation safer than ever before. The built-in bird mode lets the NXT radar apply the perfect settings to find birds at distances never before seen on radar. They also offer a low-noise 3-speed motor that turns at 24, 36, or 48 RPM, depending on mileage, and this allows your targets to be constantly updated for precise monitoring of everything that's around your vessel. We also offer 3 antenna sizes, 3.5 feet, 4 feet, and 6 feet, and we're going to show you a little bit more about that as we go through the video. Furuno realizes some vessels have size constraints where they can actually mount the antenna, so we offer 3 different antenna configurations for all of these open array NXT radars. Starting down bottom, we have the 3.5 foot XN10A/3.5. Right here in the middle, we have the 4 foot XN12A/4, and up top here we have the big boy, which is the XN13A/6, giving you all the choices you need to pick the perfect radar for your boat. Now that we've talked about some of the features of these NXT open array radars, let's talk about some of the specifications, and we'll start with ease of installation. Like many current Furuno gearboxes, these NXT open arrays also offer a pigtail connection, which makes installation dramatically easier. You no longer have to open the gearbox. You take your pigtail connection coming out of the gearbox, plug it into your slimline radar cable that comes with the unit, plug it in the power in your network, and you're done. It's a nice, simple install. It's also worth mentioning that both of these NXT gearboxes work off of 24 volts DC for low current draw. If your vessel doesn't already have a dedicated 24 volt DC power source, not a problem. Furuno still got you covered. Simply add a Furuno 12 to 24 volt DC converter. One in my right hand is NEW12V-24V-7A. The one on my left is NEW-12V-24V-16A. The only difference is this one outputs 7 amps, this one outputs 16. Either one will work for these NXT radars though. The 200mm by 200mm mounting pattern remains the same as previous Furuno DRS radars, making upgrading to one of these new NXT radar gearboxes fast and easy. The new style gearbox configuration you see is 20% lighter than previous DRS radars. And if you're going to hook up one of these DRS12A-NXTs or 25A-NXTs to your NavNet TZtouch, you can do it. You got to make sure you have version 6.01 software. If you want to hook it up to your TZtouch2, you need to make sure you have version 6.21 software. And both of these units, being brand new, will work with the brand new TZtouch3 MFDs as well. Let's face it, a radar can be one of the best tools in a mariner's tool chest, adding safety and situational awareness to your navigation needs. With the addition of the DRS12A-NXT and DRS25A-NXT to our existing Doppler radar lineup, Furuno offers everything the prudent mariner needs for safe passage in any environment and on any size vessel. Whether you choose the compact, lightweight 24-inch DRS40-NXT solid-state Doppler dome, our competitively priced DRS6A-NXT open array radar, or the newer DRS12A-NXT and 25A-NXT high-power open array radars, Furuno's got you covered. When you're looking to add a radar to your vessel or just planning a radar upgrade, when you're ready to go on a power trip, make sure you take one of Furuno's NXT solid-state Doppler radars with you. If you need more information on Furuno's NXT solid-state Doppler radar lineup or any other Furuno equipment, please contact your local Furuno dealer or visit us at www.furuno.com.